Here I have Seatel L4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select apps icon. Then here let's choose settings, scroll down and select here the language and input. Then tap language at the top of the screen. In my case right now I'm using English from United States, but in order to change language, let's choose add a language. And here you can choose one of the following languages. For example, in my case, let me choose Espanol from España. And as you can see right now, I've got two languages. In order to use the Spanish, let's place it on the first position. And right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. In order to go back to the English version, let's find and select apps icon. Here you need to find and select configuración. Scroll down, choose idiomas y entrada. Tap idiomas again and place English into the first position. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.